Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our LED license plate lights on 2023 and newer Ford Super Duties. Let's get into it. Our LED license plate lights for trucks and SUVs are a simple upgrade that makes a big impact. Designed to be significantly brighter than stock, they deliver a crisp, white light that enhances visibility, improves safety, and gives your truck a clean, modern look. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the plug-and-play design, and the durable, waterproof construction means they're built to weather the storm mile after mile. Whether you're aiming to be a showstopper or just have better nighttime visibility, these LED lights are the high-performance upgrade your truck's been missing. A couple of things to note before we get into the install. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2023 and newer Ford Super Duty trucks. If your vehicle's a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment, availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. Back at the rear bumper, at the license plate light, we've got these 3 tabs, one on each side and one on the bottom that we'll need to depress to detach the light from the bumper. Now that the OEM license plate light assembly is separated from the rear bumper, go ahead and pull it out. Expose the OEM bulb socket, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. Exposing the bulb. Right now we'll go ahead and remove the OEM bulb. When going to install your Boost Auto LED license plate light assemblies, they are side specific, so take note, this one says L, meaning it's the driver's side assembly. Now with the Boost Auto LED license plate light, go ahead and pull out the connector that'll be inside and plug it into your OEM bulb socket. You can plug it in either way. Once it's plugged in, we're going to reconnect the bulb socket into our housing. It is keyed, so be conscious of that. Once you've got it slotted in, go ahead and twist it clockwise this time to lock it in place. Take note of the little notch that'll be on the top of the assembly. Insert this in first, and then go ahead and insert the rest of the assembly. Go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other license plate light assembly. Well, that about wraps it up for the installation of our LED license plate lights on 2023 and newer Ford Super Duties. If you're a fan of those LED lights, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all we have to offer for your build today. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.